G'day guys, and welcome to another episode of Becoming Self-Sufficient. Today we'll be exploring the reasons why I decided to get some chooks for the backyard and how they can help benefit you if you want to make the same decision. Okay, so if you've been watching my Instagram this week, one of the things you would have learned is that I got chooks for the backyard. Now I'm super excited about having chickens in the backyard because I know all about the benefits that I'm going to reap from having them here. And that's what this video is all about today. It's about sharing with you why I believe you should get chickens for your backyard if you're looking to become more self-sufficient. Now, reason number one, eggs. The eggs that you're going to get from chickens that you keep yourself and feed fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, as well as the pellets that are required for them are going to be so much healthier for you than normal store-bought eggs. Not only that, these eggs are going to have way more vitamin D because these chickens are out in the sun and they're collecting the vitamin D, and so it's passed on to you. All the vitamins and the nutrients that are going to come from the kitchen scraps with those fresh fruits and vegetables are also going to be put into those eggs. I collected a few of the eggs this morning, and what I noticed was they were much harder than the eggs that I would normally get from my local supermarket. The shells, when you tap them together, they feel like rocks, and they're very smooth and light coloured like porcelain. Now I know eggs come in all different shapes and sizes and colours, but you could just feel the difference with these healthy chooks in the backyard, and you are going to reap all of those benefits through growing your own hens and feeding them a healthy diet. Reason number two, compost. These guys poop a lot, and the benefits of having my own chicken manure are going to be incredible. Every day I'm going to have a fresh supply of chicken manure to help enhance and enrich the soil for my garden and for all my fruits and vegetables. This is going to make the plant growth absolutely explode, and I'm so super excited about it. Reason number three, pest control. Once these guys have settled in and they're used to their little pen, I'll be able to let them out every now and then, and what they'll do is they'll go through my garden, and yes, they're going to help themselves to a little bit of the fruits and vegetables, which I don't mind, but they are going to also go through and pick off all of the grubs and bugs that I don't want growing in my garden. And the final reason number four, is garden bed preparation. Now, what do I mean by garden bed preparation? Well, for those of you that are into becoming self-sufficient and looking to grow your own fresh fruits and vegetables, you'll know just how much work it takes to actually prepare an area to become a garden bed. All of that weeding, all of that underlay you need to put down to stop any weeds from growing back up and through into your veggie patch. The hours you spend preparing the soil and just simply getting things ready, these guys are going to be my little tractors. I can fence off the area that I want to turn into a new garden bed and just let them loose. And what they'll do is they will eat all of the weeds, they'll eat all of the grass, all of the seed, they'll stir up that soil with their scratching, they'll be pooping everywhere, which is obviously adding extra nutrients and manure to the soil, and with that scratching they're turning it around and mixing it into the soil whilst clearing out the land. It might be a little bit of a longer process, but it's a much more natural, a much more organic way to prepare a garden bed. And I don't know about you, but that gets me excited knowing that it's going to be better and I don't have to do the work. So guys, this was only a short video today, but I just wanted to share the 4 main reasons as why I got chooks for my journey on becoming self-sufficient. If you've liked watching this video today, don't forget to like and subscribe, and head on over to my Instagram channel, Becoming Self-Sufficient, because I do post on there almost every single day, so it's a little bit more consistent than the YouTube videos. But guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.